Ever wish you had a simple way to stay organized? Smartsheet.com helps you track, project, manage tasks, and work together with your team, all in one place. It's like a superpower for your to-do lists. Give it a try and see how easy it is to stay on top of everything. So hello guys, I hope everything is doing well firstly, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Smartsheet.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Smartsheet.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Alright, so all I have to do right now is just click over try Smartsheet for free and you get started. But before, let's just know what is Smartsheet firstly and how you can sign up for Smartsheet, and how you can use the dashboard and Smartsheet and the general. So you have just to stick around until the end because we will discover this stuff together. So first, let's know what is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a super handy online tool that helps you organize and manage tasks, projects, and teams. It's like a smart spreadsheet that lets you track everything from to-do lists to big projects, share updates with others, and stay on top of deadlines all in one place. Perfect for getting things done and working together smoothly. So we have also here other information such as use cases to get you started, and we have such as here project management, event, and we have new product development, capital project, higher education, construction, healthcare and life science, technology as well. Then you have here work management that adapts to your needs. We have from team projects and processes to enterprise portfolios. Smartsheet is built to handle every use case and any scale. So I will just click over here, then we'll find a page which is this one. I'll just enter your email address and then you click over continue. Then you have to add your name, your last name, and your phone number as well, and then you click over continue. So once you just write an email, your email address, it will be appear here, and then you click over continue. All right, also you select here your country or your continent as I said, and here you have it North America or Europe, and then you click over here continue. Then you'll find a page which is this one. So here we have welcome, please check your inbox to activate your account, confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email we sent to you. So we have just to click here if you don't see the animal, or you can just right now go to your email address and then you click over here to confirm your email. If you have to start using your Smartsheet account, you have to click the button to confirm your email address. Free trial gives you full access to Smartsheet for 13 days. Enjoy. Alright, so I will just click over confirm email, then you'll find at a page what is this one. Alright, so after you write your password and you type your password, and after also your confirmation of your email address and you get started, you will find here the dashboard as you can see. So it's very easy. You have just to follow the steps by getting started, enter your email address, and then you have to click or go to your Gmail and you click over confirm email. Then you write your password and you type it, and then you find the dashboard or the homepage of smartsheet.com. Alright, so let's get started right now. I will show you how you can do that and how you can use smartsheet.com. Firstly, to use Smartsheet, you have to start by creating a sheet to organize your tasks or projects. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Use features like checkboxes, status updates, and timeline to track progress. You can easily collaborate by sharing your sheet, lets you automate reminders and workflows to keep everything running smoothly. It's a simple way to stay organized and work together efficiently. So right now, all I have to do is just click over here and you start new project, program or process. You have to create a workspace to organize and collaborate with teams and partners. You have to start with a popular template if you want popular, and also if you want to start from scratch, you have just to select one of these. So then we have here also suggested, and we have here all workspace, and then we have here in the left other options that could help you such as notification. If you want to search, you click over here in the search. Then we have here browse, and right now we have here in the browse work application as you can see. Then we have sheets. About sheets, you can just click over here to create and choose here phone grid, task lists, projects, cards browse template, import Microsoft Excel, import Microsoft project, import from Google Sheets, import from Atlassian Trello, import dashboard and portal. Then we have here folder, workspace as well, and that's it. Then we have here workspace. As you can see about this one, you have to click over create again, and you get started and choose your task list, project, cards, browse template as well, and then we have the last one, which is new workspace, and delete items as well. Then we have here also recents, and we have here also favorites, and then we have here also this one. It's just for resource planning for every level of your organization. So here we have, if we'll just choose this one, we have a resource management, and we have just to read this information, assign the right people to the right work at the right time, balance workloads, track time with ease, forecast with confidence, and you click over request free trial. Then you have to add your first name, your last name, then you add your email address, your phone, and you select also here what's your timeline for implement resource planning. Then we have what's your biggest challenge with managing resource, and you click over submit. So behind this page we have in my work, people, schedule, project, and reports as well. Then we have also here the option of workspace, work application, sorry, and about this one you have just to search for application. Everything here it will appear here, as you can see about the application I've talked. So then we have here start a new project, program a process. So I will show you how you can do that. So for example, let's choose this project, as you can see. Then you'll find out a page which is this one. You have just to follow other steps, and then you click over here to create a from template. And if you want to copy the link, you click over here. If you want to back to create, you click over here again. So what we have, let's set an app project and let's wait for it. All right. And then we have here this page. If you want to add also here, you click over here. If you want to share, you click over here. We have your project name. If you want to add something here, you click over here and you start adding. You have to modify all these things if you want, and then you click over share to get it started. It's just here for if you want to just here endo brand automation. We have your file forms, connections, and other things. So let's just come back right now and let's just discovering other things. So if you just want to start from scratch, for example, let's choosing this one, but you have to add your project name and then you select this one. For example, I will select here, this is a shop as an example, then I will click over build a sheet. Then you have to add tasks. As you can see, we have here 4 steps that you have to follow. Then you click over next and you start with that. All right. Then we have also here if launcher, if want to help, and this is my profile, as you can see. So Smartsheet is a powerful yet user-friendly tool that helps you stay organized, manage projects, and collaborate with ease. Whether you are tracking tasks, setting deadlines, or automating workflows, let's keep everything in one place, making teamwork more efficient and less stressful. It's like a smart way to get things done and keep your projects on track. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.